My bun like a mess. I got no edges. Like, what is going on, sis? What is happening? Hey y'all, it's Alana J back again with another video, and we are doing the 24-hour transformation challenge. Yay! Okay, but we're doing the 24-hour transformation challenge, and I will be showing you guys my skin routine, and then I'm gonna show you guys me doing my hair. So this will be pretty much how I install my wig, so you guys will see that. And then I'm gonna do my makeup, and I'm gonna put on an outfit. So yeah, I'm gonna do all of that. So this is really my transformation from this situation to, you know, a baddie, a bad joint, a good joint, you know. So yeah, do not forget to comment down below what your transformation might be, and also tell me if you did this challenge. I would love to see your results and what you did. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. So there go my Instagram, and there my Instagram name and my Twitter. And do not forget to subscribe. Like, if you are not subscribed, what are you doing? Go subscribe. We would love for you to join our family, you know. Gang. Come join us. If you're a returning subscriber, hey y'all. Thank you for coming by, and let's just hop into this transformation. So I'm in my bathroom, and this is just how I wash my face. So yeah. So now that my skin is done and clean, I do that routine every single night and day. And then sometimes on Sundays I do a mask, but it's not Sunday, so we're not gonna do a mask. So yeah, now we're moving on to hair. so now that we have our wig on, you know, we got our little situation going. The transformation is coming. It's coming. Okay, so now that I got this on, I mean, I might take a little nap, but I'm kidding, y'all. I'm kidding. So I already had my nails done. I know I showed you guys previously in another video that I had my nails done. I got these done recently and my nails last for a whole month. Not gonna brag on my nail salon, but yeah, my nails last a whole month. And this is a refill, y'all. Like, this not even a full set. This is a refill. So yeah, but anyway, we're about to put this in a ponytail and we're gonna go right to do our makeup. Then we're gonna put our outfit on and the transformation will be complete. All right, y'all, it is officially makeup time. I did do my brows off camera. They are light because I didn't do the foundation part yet, but that's what we're about to do. So yeah. Y'all already know I use Fenty Beauty. Everything mostly. Alright, I'm back. I applied my lashes. My lashes are from J Marie or Jewelry, something like that. I will link them below. Add a little bit of my Fenty highlights. You know, because IG baddies, they always have their highlight. It looked like I have highlight on already. That's what the skin routine is for. If you want to take the little natural route, you could just do the little skin routine and you will be glowing, period. Ah, crap. Alright. So, we got our little highlights going on. Looking cute. We're gonna try to get as much foundation as we can off our top lip. Super hard to do so, but it's cool. I'm gonna just apply this lip gloss and then And then I'm gonna wet my hair a little bit. I'm gonna wet this hair a little bit. Woo. I'm kidding, this joint don't slip that fast, but yeah. I'm gonna wet this hair a little bit. Change into our baddie outfit. And we will be done. We will be done. Okay, we will be done. So I'm just doing a little bit of wetting. Like, I'm not even gonna put no mousse or nothing. Just a little bit. Little something something. Little something. Little something something. Alrighty. So this is our completed look with the hair and the makeup. I hope you guys can really see me. So this is our look and we're gonna get changed. Alright y'all, it's time for our reveal. So this is our hair, makeup, that highlight beaming, y'all, beaming, and then the baddie outfit. So if y'all want any pictures or anything, please do not forget to follow me on my Instagram, because I know y'all want pictures. Like, we did not just spend all this time doing a transformation for y'all not to get pictures. But yeah, so definitely I'm like standing up and everything, but definitely follow me on my socials. Follow me on my Instagram right here so you can see the pictures that we take. Thank you for joining me on this, woo, wrong bra, but you know what, whatever. Thank you guys for joining me on this transformation for Insta Baddie transformation. Okay, thank you so much. This dress is from Fashion Nova. It's the Rihanna tube dress. Very cute, very nice. I just need a black bra, but whatever. So yeah, don't forget to hold on, make sure y'all can see me. All right, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys next week.